What's up everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we're looking at ClickFunnels, which is my software of choice, and we're going to look at the concept of website versus funnel, so stay tuned. I'm Nicole, I'm a master funnel designer. I design funnels for clients, and today I'm going to show you everything you need to know about ClickFunnels and why it works. Let's jump in. So let's look at the concept of a website versus a sales funnel. Just to clarify, ClickFunnels is a software that creates sales funnels. Okay, so this is my website. It's called Profitable Moms. And if you come to this website, which is a standard basic website style, you will see that there's no direction here. You could click on any menu item and go read more about me, go to my store, book a call with me, contact me, do different types of things. So there's no clear call to action, if you could see, which makes visitors most often look around and then click off. But what would happen if I actually had a sales funnel where I directed my traffic to perhaps buy a template from me, or to maybe buy one-on-one design from me? So that's the difference between a funnel and a website, where a funnel has a clear direction where it wants you to go into. With a clear direction, what we're actually doing is we're funneling people through a customer journey so that in the end we can have more sales and they can have more value out of what we are offering them. Okay, here we are in the ClickFunnels editor. It's drag and drop, so it's super easy to use, beginner friendly. And this is actually how I started my service-based business as a funnel builder, using ClickFunnels and learning. So it's awesome all around. Okay, so on the left-hand side, you will see your funnel steps, which is essentially a series of web pages where you are holding the hand of your customer through their journey, helping them through the purchasing process. Okay, so think about McDonald's. You drive to the drive-through, you tell the person on the other side that you want a Big Mac, please. And they say, all right, do you want fries and a Coke with that? And you say, yes, please add that to my order. Great, thank you, proceed. Or if you say no, they maybe would say, how about a ice cream cone for dessert, which is at a lower price? And you maybe say yes, or you maybe say no. So essentially, this is the same idea. Let's look at the first step, which is the opt-in page. Okay, so this is our opt-in form. We want to collect emails from our customers, so even if they don't buy, we can market to them later on. This is a great asset to have and a very easy way to build your list quickly. Once they click on Get Instant Access Now, it's going to take them to the video sales letter or just the sales page, depending on how you want to structure it. In this template, it's a video sales letter. So we're telling them more about our product, we're telling them more about us as an instructor, we're giving them all the benefits, showing them the secret techniques that they're going to learn, and we prompt them in the video to purchase. So we're asking them to buy now, we're letting them put in their credit card information and their name. We've already collected their email address, so we don't need that again. And we're selling this for $47. Okay, so if you can see on the screen this red flashing arrow in the block that says, yes, I will take it. This is called an upsell. We want to add this to every single initial sales page that we have. What this allows us to do is, by them just ticking the box, we can add something to their order that's of value to them, of course. In this instance, maybe this is a beginner's yoga course and we are offering them a one-time offer to add the advanced course at a discounted price. So our advanced course is $297 and we're offering it to them this one time when they purchase the beginner series for $97. 30% of buyers will click that button. So it's super important. And this is what makes ClickFunnels so much better than a regular website, because you can't do that on a regular website. So we want to add the one-time offer. Okay, so they click buy now. We are excited. Yes, we've made a sale. And now we send them to an upsell. So this is a one-time offer, single page, never to be seen again offer that you are presenting them. This is your core initial offer that you want them actually to buy. The other offers were warming them up to this big offer that you have. This is your more expensive offer. So let's say it is personal one-on-one yoga teaching through Zoom in these COVID times, or whatever it is. Maybe it's a complete body makeover program using yoga techniques and diet, whatever it is. So this is your more expensive offer. This is what you really, really want them to buy. What makes ClickFunnels amazing is the credit card information that they put on in the previous page gets securely stored. So they don't need to add any new details to this page to buy this offer. It's literally one click of a button and they have purchased your offer that you want them to get. So by clicking add this to my order, they are automatically being charged and their order will be sent with their previous shipment or via email delivery or whatever it is that you're selling. So it is important here to say that they will automatically be charged, just so that you know that you have disclaimed everything that you are doing. If they decide to click on no thanks, I don't need this, we are going to take them to a downsell page. This is something that is cheaper than our core offer. So maybe they bought the beginner course, they don't want the one-on-one body makeover, but you can offer them a 30-day meal plan at a very cheap price, let's say $27, and they can add this to their order. So we can say, we get it, you don't want more. Why not try our super slim down yoga meal plan instead? We have a little video about the benefits about the meal plan. We give it to them at $27 and they can add that also with just one click to their initial order. If they then click no thanks, I don't need this now, we'll take them to the thank you page. If they click add this to my order, we're going to add it to their order. They're going to automatically be charged and we're going to take them to the thank you page as well. So this is our thank you page. We're going to say, thank you for your order. We're so excited for you to join our program. This is what you need to do next. We're going to add how they're going to get their products. Oh, we're sending it in an email series. You have to go here to create your login details in the membership back office, whatever it is. You can add a summary of what they've purchased, which would automatically be updated on this page from depending on what they clicked and what they bought, which is also awesome. And you can add other products here. You can add social followings here. You could say follow us on YouTube, follow us on Instagram, whatever it is. And it's very important to thank them for their purchase so that they feel loved and appreciated. The concept of a funnel is that we want to control what our clients or our leads are clicking, and that is why we're sending them through. We're taking essentially warm, maybe cold, but hopefully hot traffic and taking them step by step through the funnel, hoping that they will buy each and every product that we're putting in front of them so that we can increase value to their lives and also increase profit in our business. If you are taking payments in any way online, you need a funnel. This is going to maximize your profit. I don't care if you are a chiropractor or a dentist, if you're a coach, a yoga instructor, you are selling website templates, you are selling clothing online, whatever it is, digital products especially, you need a funnel. By creating these upsells and downsells, you are creating more opportunities for your business to make money. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and we'll see you again next time.